And good luck next time. And that doesn't make any sense at all, so fuck's sake. Got a bit of sunshine. Right. Yeah, I can see you. Really, really good control. Definitely something. And that's it for rolls. We'll finish with one more maneuver, which is the candle. Which doesn't have a roll in it, so... Right. And we're just going to make sure that it's centered. Oh God, we better do that again. That was bloody shit. Hey guys. Shit, fucking hell. Hey guys. It's been around for quite a while, but it's become quite popular lately. Fuck's sake.
Should we start again?
Well, it's no, because I'm speaking louder. Everything's fucking the lips of... Okay.
Go on.
Hi guys, Richard here. Okay. Right. Right, so you'll probably have to stand on the sun side, and then I'll fly that way.
I'll stand to the left of you.
Yeah.
Got shadows in the shot. You okay with that?
Yeah, I mean, should we swing a little bit round? What shadow? Your shadow?
Mine and your shadow.
Oh no, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go on, it's rolling anyway, mate.
Okay. So in this video, we're going to do three things. I'm going to show you what V-bar. No, fuck, no, I'm not. Yeah, recording.
I've got to hold this like this, have I?
Not too close. A little bit further away. That'll do. There.
Okay.
Right. So, what was your first helicopter and radio?
For
For fuck's sake.
John, we're doing serious here.
What helicopter and radio would you recommend to a beginner?
Well, not that one, because I lost it. It didn't come home.
Right,
I found it, and it didn't come home.
I'd go for V-bar if you can afford it, but if not, start with the Spectrum, see if you like it, then work your way up.
DS X9, I believe, one of the old groups.
My first heli was a Skidoo. Sorry.
Do the field. What are you doing that for? He just starts doing this. I'm like, what have I done wrong?
You know that's on video now.
Yeah, whatever.